How to save money when running your membership site. Membership sites have a lot of moving parts when it comes to building and running them, that the costs can quickly add up. From hosting your site to your email marketing services, marketing and advertising services, and software licenses. Here are several ways you can save money when running your membership site. Save on software. Most of the membership sites run on WordPress. With WordPress, you'll have to pay for the plugin or services that are required to run a sales page, create pop-ups, and develop opt-ins for your site. These plugin options can quickly add up because you have to purchase a license to use them. These providers of the plugins will present you with some options for your license. Unless you are planning on building more than one website, resist the urge to purchase a multi-computer license. Save on outsourcing. If you are planning on building a team to help you run your membership site, make sure that you take the time to develop processes for the tasks that you're outsourcing. Develop step-by-step instructions of the process to not only help you streamline your business, but to make sure it is done as efficiently and effectively as possible. Stop using Facebook Boost. If you want to save money on running your membership site, then you need to stop randomly boosting your posts on Facebook. Every time you hit the boost button, you spend $5 to $10, which can add up if you're not careful. You need to have a plan if you're going to invest in Facebook advertising. Seek out advice on how to best utilize Facebook advertising and stop hitting the boost post button. Limit the number of memberships you join. While you should join other membership sites to see how they work and determine what works and what doesn't, you'll want to limit the number you join. If you're going to develop your own membership site, joining 2 or 3 other sites will help you gain inspiration and see what works, but any more than that, and it will get to be too expensive. When it comes to saving money on running your membership site, it's important to make sure that you are reviewing your expenditures every month to determine if they are still worth the money.